everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I thought we'd do something festive, a Christmas stocking. This stocking is really easy to make, so if you've just started out sewing or you want to make it by hand, you'll be fine with it. Enjoy. For the stocking you'll need simple pattern. This can be made using pattern paper, newspaper, brown craft paper, anything that you've got at hand. You can design it however you want. You can have it as I have, just a simple one, or your traditional boot style. You need another piece that is the collar, which is going to be attached to the top and needs to be twice as long or twice as deep as it will be folded over. First, we open our fabric out and we pin our pattern to the fabric. Side. Now for the collar. Again, you need two of these. So we've cut out the basic pattern. Next, we're going to attach the collar. I do it double because it actually looks a bit nicer and it does give it a little bit of strength, because if you're putting things in and out it can weaken it over time. So by doing this it just gives it a little bit of strength and it should last for years. Okay, so next, we're going to pin this to the top. So it's going to go like that. We're going to sew across there and it's going to go like that. Okay, so now we're going to stitch across here and across here. So let's go to the sewing machine. So I'm going to sew straight down, just one straight line. Do a little back stitch, Remove the pins. One thing I do like to do, and it does make it easier and neater, is I will iron as I go. It just flattens everything out, and it's easier when you come to put them together. Okay, and of course any ends, trim it off. Okay. Now you put the stocking right side together. With your loop, you want your loop to go up at that kind of angle, not like that, otherwise it buckles. So you want it to go like that. So you get it at the angle you want. Put it between the two layers, like so. And pin. Then you pin all the way around. Okay, so let's go back to the machine. Okay, you'll have noticed that I've actually got an industrial sewing machine, but I do have the domestic sewing machine as well. I've got about 3 of them actually. I'm going to use this because it's easy. Okay, so now we're just going to stitch all the way around, about half an inch. So now we have the 2 pieces sewn together. Again, trim off any straggly bits of cotton. If you want, you can just take the corner off there. That just neatens it. And it's not so visible. Okay. Now remove the pins. Aren't these great? They're so big, so easy to handle. Now, so that when you turn it the right way, you want it to lie flat, you want it to be smooth. So either scissors, these are snips, they're brilliant for this kind of thing. We're just going to nick, make a little nick, not up to the stitch. If you go too close and cut the stitch, it's going to come undone. So just where it has a curve. Okay. Alright. We'll just trim this bit off. Now we can turn it the right way. Okay, so now we just need to line it. There we go. A very festive Christmas stocking that will last for years. Okay, thank you for watching.